love touching all the right things.
Touching all the buttons.
I know. Billy's buttons.
Sorry.
Ladies, here we are. The final reunion. Well, finally. The final. Finally, the reunion. I have to say, I had tickets for the last tour just before COVID, so it broke my heart. But I'm so excited that we get to be doing this in person, and hopefully I'll be seeing you on a couple of the shows.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is Nicole's favourite song to perform?
I don't even know.
Okay, yeah.
Is it a PCD song?
Yeah, let's go PCD song.
Oh, okay. Do I write down? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say.
You almost said what I'm gonna say.
I'm trying not to think hard. Don't you think hard?
I'm not gonna think too hard.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
So we reveal?
Yeah.
Me and Kim.
Oh, no, you
1,
got
2.
it right.
Buttons.
What did you do? Joshua!
She liked them all.
I actually love. These are my 3 favorite ones, actually.
They're the bangers as well. You have so many bangers.
Maybe they actually know myself better than me.
I have to ask, what was the song that you don't like performing as much then?
Okay, wait, we know that. Yeah, we've got this one. Hold on, let's race.
We do have this
Billy.
really.
I gotta stretch for this one. Like legit though.
3, 2.
3.
Bottle top. But it's a fan favourite.
Absolutely.
I think so.
It's a banging track.
It is a banging track, but ooh, honey.
In 2010, Nicole played an integral part in forming which iconic British boy band?
We know it.
Know this one.
Bonus points, I hear.
Are you ready?
3,
1, 2, 3.
One Direction.
She wants her percentage. Her commission, honey.
Clock that, because
She wants that commission.
watching the actual footage back, you are the one that finalised the order as well.
I thought Simon burned the footage. I'm not gonna lie.
No.
And then it came out.
She's ready to collect.
Gosh, what would music be without Harry Styles and One Direction?
Do you want to
my
know
gosh.
why I thought of the group? Because of the Pussycat Dolls. For me, it was like the success of the Dolls that helped me to be able to do what I wanted to do. And I was like, guys, you got to be a group. Let's be a group first, and it's gonna really make the difference if you want to go out before you go individually solo. It was literally because of the Dolls. That's why I thought of the group.
That's amazing. That's such inside knowledge. Gosh, the fan in me is freaking out right now. Our next question is for Kimberly.
Ooh.
Okay.
What was your favourite music video to film?
Oh gosh.
Think of the songs and the videos we have. I'm like,
I'm trying to think of them all.
I know.
It's all about hindsight.
Oh, I know it. I think.
She knows.
I think I know it.
I don't, but.
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
Oh, did it! She's right.
Yeah.
The music videos are so iconic.
Yeah. Guys, do you know when I grew up that we did this on the scaffolding? We were like, and then we went. I feel like we should rethink that.
The lightning bolt earring I kept, I still have it. It's like my
Nice.
perfect memento. Even though it stabbed me in the face and made me bleed after every dance break, but
In Don'tcha, there's a necklace that says Pussycat Dolls in gold.
I've got my Ashley one. Yeah, I found that the other day. I was like, maybe I bring that back.
Right.
What was Ashley's favourite Pussycat Dolls song to hear on Heart Radio?
is it today or is it like on another day?
Let's talk about
Today.
yeah, let's talk about today. Today
We're
was a
always
good
speaking subliminally without looking at each other like.
Today.
1, 2, 3.
We know you so well.
You do. You know what I like.
Oh, it is a banger, I have to say. It's touching all the right nostalgia moments,
we
and
love
it's
touching all the
new.
right
It's touching all the buttons.
I know. Billy.
Right.
Billy's buttons.
Move on before I flush. Which pop artist is Nicole listening to right now that's not the Pussycat Dolls?
Pop artist. You've talked about this.
I know.
Give me a
it's
sign.
I didn't see that.
We're totally cheating.
That's fine. I don't mind.
Do you guys know?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's
Yes.
Right, you got it!
I knew it. I knew it right away.
Points all around. Is there anyone that's like new on the scene at the moment that you think went to the Pussycat Dolls School of Performing? Serving it?
McRae.
Tate McRae.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
And we love it.
Yeah, she's great.
Oh my gosh, her outfits, I mean, but that girl can throw it
She
down
really
and she
can.
can sing and she is so talented.
She is. I saw her tour in LA and she just works so very hard.
Yes.
Super driven. She's a beast on that stage.
She's a
Super
beast.
focused and works really hard. I think Katseye as well.
Katseye, yeah, absolutely.
I said the same two things earlier when I was writing them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Katseye, Tate McRae.
Love it.
In 2004, Kimberly appeared in which iconic noughties rom-com as a dancer?
In what year?
2004.
So that's when we were doing our thing. Rom-com? What was happening at that time? What rom-coms were? A movie or a series?
Movie.
Oh no, I was gonna say series. Well, I'm gonna write down what I'm gonna write down because either way it's good too.
At least Kimberly remembers.
But I can't spell
Hopefully I
that.
got the right film.
3, 2, 1. 13 going on 30.
Newlyweds! Were you on the reality show with
I
Nick
was,
Lachey?
yeah.
It was like one of the first reality shows ever.
I love Kim.
I love Kim!
That counts.
That counts.
13 going on 30.
That's right, you were dancing.
Yeah.
I remember the scene now on the disco floor.
That's right.
Right? Yeah.
Just did some research.
Sorry, I was up all night.
I love it.
Such an iconic film.
It is,
It's like
isn't it?
one of my favourites.
It still lives on. It is quite crazy.
Yeah.
Like, the
West End.
kids still know it. Yeah.
God, that was like one of the first ever reality shows ever.
You've toured with some incredible people as the Pussycat Dolls, but who would Ashley say was her favourite?
I think I know.
Okay, okay.
Do you know? Do you know?
You know, it's tough because we did some good things.
I feel like it's.
I think there's a picture that you celebrate more than the others.
There's a picture I celebrate more than the others.
Yeah.
Well, I got we had a couple pictures.
3.
2, 1.
Oh, I was gonna do that one.
I said Riri.
Look, I got it for both of us.
Well, if I could have
Gaga.
chosen 2, I would have said Riri and Gaga for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
For
That's
sure.
insane to think.
I mean, but then you go Britney Spears, Black
Yeah.
Eyed Peas, Neo. It's like, how do you choose? But these
Christina
Christina
Aguilera.
Aguilera.
Christina.
That's just blown my mind altogether, to be honest.
Christina came to Sunset,
No way.
and I didn't even know. Thank God, because I probably would have like been more nervous. She came to see me backstage, and she had this like blonde hair, and she grabbed me, and I had so much blood on me, and I was like, oh my God, I've got blood all over your hair, and she just wouldn't let me go.
No way. Wow.
That's beautiful.
That
It
is
is
beautiful. Yeah.
I love Christina.
Me too.
I want that now, covered in blood as well from her. What is Kimberly's favourite genre of dance?
Ooh, okay. In which era of her life?
Sorry.
Sorry. We got
Ready? Modern?
contemporary, I was gonna say, and ballet. 'cause
She
this
loves
is-
modern as well.
Yeah,
It's a
contemporary,
modern.
yeah.
They're pretty much one and the same.
I feel like we nailed that.
You did.
Well
Beautiful.
done, you
I love that you
guys.
both
Yeah.
said contemporary.
Okay, this one is going to be a bit tricky. It's one of the hardest questions.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
In 2004, Ashley starred in the music video for
Yes.
which song featured on the Shrek 2 soundtrack?
I know this. So what's the name of the damn song?
I don't remember the name of the damn song,
Right?
but I remember the
But
band.
you're in bed and you're in your pants.
Yes,
and
I
the
was.
bunny went out the window.
It was the bunny.
The bunny.
I wanted that bunny.
You had short hair.
Yeah.
Fringe in the back.
They cut my bangs. They cut my bangs on that set.
What's the name?
This
of
girl
it?
goes, I think your hair's a little thick. I'm gonna give you a little trim. She cut fringe in the back of my head, and this is before I went on set, and I was like, with that bunny, like, I don't feel so cute right now with my fringe. I got bangs in the back of my head. I was like a bowl back there.
You rocked it though. You rocked it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, it was Counting
Counting Crows.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Just wrote bunny.
I love Ashley. Awesome.
Oh my goodness. Oh, well, that's all of our
That was
questions.
fun. That was fun, Billy.
Good. Thank you so much.
Good. Have a little giggle.
Absolutely.
Good.